Go.
Hi Master Relay, my name is Nicole Stackhouse. This is my 5-minute lesson demo. We are working on standard RI 1.3, Reading Informational Text 1.3. Students should be able to understand connections among and distinctions between individuals, ideas, and events.
Go.
Okay. Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be working in pairs. So we're going to be at a level 1 or level 0. Level 0 when I'm speaking, level 1 when you guys are working in pairs. We will be working with whiteboard markers to go over a quick check of understanding. So when you guys have the whiteboard markers, we aren't doodling and we aren't using them in the wrongful way, or we will go back to pens and papers, okay? We got it? Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing standard RI 1.3. Does anyone remember that? No? Okay, so we're going to be understanding connections among and distinctions between individuals, ideas, and events. We know what individuals, ideas, and events are, right? So we want to understand connections and distinctions. So connections is a relationship between a person, thing, or idea that is linked or associated with someone else. So as you can see, we have these two circles right here. They're both the same color and they're both the same size. So they are linked together, they are associated together, they're one and the same. So when you make a connection, it's the same. A distinction is a difference or a contrast between people, ideas, or things. And as you can see, these two circles are different colors and different sizes. So they are different, they are apart from each other, they don't go in the same category. Okay? So for a little quick understanding, we're going to use our whiteboard markers, and I have 3 example problems for us, okay? 3 sentences that are going to show a connection or a distinction. So when I bring down the first example, I want you to write a D if you do think that's a distinction, or a C if you think that is a connection. Sound good? Okay. So for the first one, the sentence says, soul food and southern food as cousins are heavily influenced by each other. So if this is a connection, write a C. If this is a distinction, write a D. So again, soul food and southern food as cousins are heavily influenced by each other. Let's see them. C, connection, exactly. So as you can see, we're comparing soul food and southern food as cousins. Cousins are one of the same, they're from the same family, right? So we're comparing soul food and southern food as cousins. They are heavily influenced by each other. Good. Next one. Southern food can vary state to state, while soul food is generally the same. Is this a distinction or a connection? C for connection, D for distinction. And when you got the answer, put your whiteboard up high in the sky. D, great. So we can see southern food can vary state to state. So from state to state, it's different, while soul food is generally the same state to state. So we can see that soul food is different from southern food when it's different state to state. Sound good? Okay. And the last example. People in the southern part of the country eat jollof, which is a rice dish, with seafood, while in the northern part, they eat it with beef or chicken. D for distinction, C for connection. Again, people in the southern part of the country eat it with seafood, while the northern part eat it with beef or chicken. D, great, distinction. Thank you guys.